Hey everybody, Joe here with Good Old Scratch Custom Apparel. I hope everyone's doing well. I'm here with another step-by-step assembly video. This time, it's for the Miro 13 Max Powder Shaker. What is that? It's a machine that helps you apply the adhesive to your DTF transfers easily, quickly, and accurately. When I first learned about DTF, you had to apply the adhesive by hand, one transfer at a time. It seemed kind of arduous. The Miro 13 Max takes out all that legwork. So in this video, I'm going to show you a quick step-by-step process of assembling the Miro 13 Max. But before we get into that, please make sure you like and subscribe. Leave comments of questions you have along the way, or questions or things you would like to see in the future for other video content regarding the DTF or the Miro 13 Max, and I'd love to help you out. Now let's hop into the video. We're going to start by assembling the mounting hardware for the take-up reel. There's going to be two brackets, one on each side, and each bracket is going to require 3 thumb screws to be tightly screwed into place. Make sure that the bracket is facing the correct orientation. Now you're going to repeat the same steps for the opposite side. Now you're going to slip the bearing directly into the hole on the bracket. It should just rest right into place. And then do the same thing for the opposite side. Next, you're going to slide the roller guides onto the bar. Now we're going to take that roller bar and place it in between the two bearings. Then you're going to lock both sides with a thumb screw. Now you're going to take the 2 poles for the take-up reel and start by sliding both of them into one side. You're only going to go about halfway. Now you're going to take one of those pieces for your take-up reel. One is the motor, and you'll see that it has a cord attached to it. Now you want to make sure you're applying it on the correct side of your Miro. You'll see where there is an input, a 3-prong input. You want to make sure that you have the first half on the correct side, and then you're going to apply the second half on the opposite side. But again, make sure that it's in the correct orientation. They should be facing each other like this. Now you can slide the other sides of the poles all the way through on the mounting brackets. Now you're going to see that there should be thumb screws underneath the brackets where you're going to tighten those poles into place. Next, you're going to connect the 3-prong power cable from the take-up motor into the machine, and then secure it into place. You can place the core on the take-up reel now. You will make some adjustments once you're ready to print. Then you can set up your media wheel for your powdering station by just sliding the wheel onto the pole. I actually applied these backwards. You're actually supposed to have them the other way, but this is only temporary just to show you. You will make adjustments when you're ready to print. Now we're going to add the main power cord into the machine. Now we're going to open up the Miro 13 Max. On either side there's a latch. You're going to release those. And when you open that up, those are your heating elements, the top and bottom platen. Then those two latches at the top are going to release the lid so you can see where the filtration system is. The fan and your filters you'll change every so often. You can place the lid for the powdering station back on. Now you're going to take your Miro 13 Max and set it up right underneath your Prestige R2 Pro DTF printer. And that's that. It didn't take much to assemble the Miro 13 Max and get it ready to go. This machine as a standalone isn't going to be able to really accommodate unless you have a DTF printer. So you want to make sure you have the DTF printer. If you have that set up, then you can work with the Miro 13 Max. If you have the Prestige R2 Pro, I'm going to be showing all this future content involving the two working together in tandem and where you can take your business and grow in all different ways regarding the DTF. If you want to look into getting the Prestige R2 Pro or the Miro 13 Max powder shaker or anything regarding DTF, you can check out my link that's in the description below. And that's all I have for the video here. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate all of you. Take care of yourselves and keep being a rock star.
I've been thinking quite a lot about one thing in particular.